Hello, something a bit different today. I've been here in this fabulous location which I've been granted permission to do some filming in, which is quiet, idyllic and in the countryside with a great backdrop of buildings. And I've got my 911 997.1, so I've been putting the drone up in the air and taking full advantage of this fabulous sunshine. And it's 4 days before I head off down on my European tour, and this is an ideal opportunity to get a little bit of drone footage of the car before I go, and so I've done that. So I'm going to drop that in now. Let me know your thoughts. Was there any angles or positions and things I should have got of it? It's difficult to get when it's driving. I'm in a static position, so I'll do driving while I'm away, hopefully with the drone. But is there anything you think I've missed on that? If you can watch it, let me know. It'd be really appreciated. Anything you want to see while I'm away, do let me know. So what do you think of those shots? Are they okay? Do you think they're nice? Is there anything that I missed? If there is, do let me know in the comments. Thanks for getting this far in the video. If you would like to share to any like-minded friends or into any groups, and that will be really appreciated. Don't forget to like the video, and if you're feeling really generous, hit that subscribe button. It's a bit windy today, I haven't got my microphones. Hopefully this is picking up. Anyway, till the next video, JP out.